How to sell your house without a real estate agent. Did you know that you can sell your house without paying some realtor a big commission? Did you know that in many cases you can sell your house faster, for more money, and have more money in your pocket? Well, it's true, and it has happened many times before, and now is the perfect time for you to sell your house without an agent. Let's go.
Noel. Yeah, she can fix that. You gotta get it done, all you need to do it better. Well, she can fix that. Yeah, she can fix that. Investment to get back, trying to get a big stack. She can fix that. Let's fix that.
In this video, I'm going to share with you an easy step-by-step process on how to sell a house on your own. I'm going to share with you a big secret because I am a licensed real estate broker on how to actually sell your house without an agent. And I'm going to share with you my best secret on how to sell your home fast. So there are so many reasons why you should sell your house. Many people look to sell their house because they are going to move, because they want a new school district, because they want a bigger house, maybe their family grew and they need more rooms, or maybe even their kids have moved out or people have moved out and they want a smaller house. There are so many reasons why you may want to sell a house, but the bottom line is you want to make money. In any case, you are selling an asset. People don't think of it, but real estate is an asset and should be sold for a profit. Whenever you are selling your home, you should be trying to sell it for the most money that you could possibly sell it for. And you probably should be trying to sell it as fast as possible, because the longer the home sits on the market and people know that it's available and it's not selling, the lower the interest in the home goes. Because people tend to think that a house that just hit the market and that people are interested in, people want that house and it makes it more valuable. But if it's a house that people have already looked at, has been on the market for a long time, people will perceive that house as not being as valuable and won't want to buy it. So the key is to sell your home in the right market for the most amount of money that you could possibly get in the market. So let's talk about how you do that. Most people use a real estate agent when selling a home, and there are benefits to using a real estate agent. Obviously, real estate agents are professionals, okay? I know I said earlier that I'm a licensed Florida real estate broker, but obviously before becoming a broker, I was a real estate agent. So I know what it is to be a real estate agent and how valuable that service can be to people looking to sell their home. As a real estate agent, you go through specialized education on how to work with buyers and sellers. You learn how to do a comparable market analysis and start to value properties and know what they can sell for in your market. Additionally, real estate agents are local experts. Most of them live in the community, and because they are involved in real estate, they become very aware of where properties are, how much they're selling for, who's interested in them, what businesses are coming to the area, even local experts on the school system, restaurants, activities, attractions, and so much more. Real estate agents can be experts in your local market. You definitely could use a real estate agent depending on their skill set, and I know for a fact that real estate agents can definitely bring value to people that are not familiar with real estate. So if you're someone like me who likes to do things yourself and you want to sell your home on your own, you definitely can do it, but you have to start thinking like a real estate agent and not a seller. Let me tell you how you do that.
Do you have a checking account, but you have the wrong checking account? You need a North One business banking account. North One Banking is the best banking platform for small businesses, entrepreneurs, and especially startups. The reason why I say that North One is the best is because it can save you so much money. Unlike traditional banks, North One has a flat monthly fee, saving on average $180. I literally have students that have told me they got their North One checking account and for their business, and they are saving so much money in comparison to the big banks. Big banks are not designed for us, small entrepreneurs, startups, things like that. They are really looking out for the interests of big business. So if you're a small business, if you have a side hustle, if you are like Noel and you are just out here doing your own thing, you need a business checking account with North One Banking so that you can separate your personal finances from your business finances, but more importantly, so that you can save tons of money. Big banks are not looking for you, but North One Banking is the perfect place for you. Get your account today.
There are also a lot of negatives when selling a home with a real estate agent. Obviously, if you're looking to sell your home on your own, you're probably looking to save money. Obviously, people know that real estate agents do not work for free. They sell a home and they make a commission off of the sale. And no matter who sells the home, whether it's them selling it or another broker sells it, you're going to have to pay the commission as a seller. So this equates to less money in your pocket. Additionally, real estate agents are not all created equal. There are real estate agents that are local experts and they really know the market, but most real estate agents are new to the business. Unfortunately, real estate agent is a business that has a lot of turnover. Trust me, I'm a licensed real estate broker and I have been licensed as a real estate agent since 2006. So I have seen so many real estate agents come and go out of the business. In fact, almost 90% of all real estate agents do not renew their license after the first 2 years. It's a sad story. So what happens is most of us that are in the public dealing with real estate agents, we are dealing with novices. We are dealing with amateurs. We are dealing with people that are not experts in real estate. So for most people that deal with real estate agents, they don't have a great experience. This can be very negative for sellers and buyers and makes them think that they can do this by themselves. And in many cases, they can, because most real estate agents are just as new to real estate as sellers and buyers. They don't actually have more education than most people. So for most people, they are just as educated as a real estate agent. They just didn't go to real estate school. So let's talk about how you do it yourself, because in many cases, you'll find a real estate agent that doesn't have much experience. So there are easy ways to sell your home yourself. I am a licensed real estate agent, but I have taught people how to sell their homes on their own. I know that many agents are not experts in the local market, so many times the seller of the home knows the real estate market better than new agents do. So the first thing that you need to do when selling your home is declutter the home. This means you're going to take out a lot of the furniture and make the rooms seem bigger. Most people do not know that this is a really big secret to selling your home fast and by yourself. Many times a real estate agent will come in and most of their value comes by telling you what to do to sell the home. But Noelle is going to share with you right now the #1 thing you probably could do by making the rooms look bigger, by decluttering the home, taking out extra furniture, taking out extra clothes out of the closet, emptying even the drawers, the cabinets in the bathroom, the medicine cabinet, the closets, the cabinets in the kitchen. Taking all of the stuff and just leaving a little bit of things in the home makes the home seem more inviting, and it makes the home seem bigger and ready to move in. People that are looking to buy a home, buyers, are looking for homes that they feel at home in. So when they come into the property, if it has a lot of clutter, things, too much furniture in the room, too many pieces, too many things like that, people are going to immediately be turned off. So decluttering the home, moving things into storage can be the #1 thing that you can do that will sell your home faster and for more money. Let me tell you the next thing. #2, you want to paint the interior of the house. In some cases, you may paint the exterior, but it is so important to paint inside the house. Most people do not think that they need to paint. They usually will just take a few of their things out of the home and just list it on the market. But do you know how valuable painting the house is? It increases the value and it really doesn't cost much money. Painting the house not only gives it a fresh look, it also gives it a fresh smell. This will give you the opportunity, once you've taken the furniture out, to then paint the home and make the room look like it's brand new. New paint can make a house look absolutely fabulous and in many cases make it look brand new without spending very much money. Painting is the #1 thing that people do on HGTV, so Noelle Randall is going to tell you should probably do the same thing too. Let me tell you the third thing. #3, you want to depersonalize the house. Depersonalizing the house means take out all of your personal affects. Take out pictures of your kids, pictures of your dogs. Do not leave lots of pictures of people in the home, especially when you are showing the property. There are so many reasons why we do this, and I could be here all day, but you never know what a buyer is thinking. Some buyers could have preconceived notions about you just by looking at some of your pictures. But more importantly, like I said, you are selling the home to a buyer, and when they come into your home, you want them to feel like the home is for them. So if they come in and they see pictures of you and your family and your kids and your dogs, it makes them not want the home because they can't see themselves in it. But if you take all of your personal items and it looks more like a model home, I know you've seen new construction builders put together a model home. Well, they definitely don't put pictures of themselves in those homes and their families and their kids and their dogs, right? So think about it. You should do the same. Depersonalize the house so when they walk in, they can't tell whose house this is. They don't know what your gender is. They don't know what your race is. They don't know your nationality. They don't know any of those things, or even your religion. Take all of that stuff out of the home and depersonalize it so that any buyer that comes to the home can see themselves living in that home, not just see your home. And then last but not least, list the home yourself. There are so many amazing websites nowadays. Back in the day when you were trying to sell your home, you really didn't have as many options as you have now. But now you have sites like Zillow, Zillow, that allow sellers to list their homes themselves and get massive exposure to so many people looking for a home. You can list your home on Zillow and it doesn't even cost you very much. In some cases, you can list for free. Or you can pay a small amount and get premium service from Zillow and get, again, so many people visiting the site, looking at your home without you having to do any marketing yourself. Another website that I absolutely love for sellers is Craigslist. Now, this can get a little bit dicey because you want to make sure that just random strangers are not coming to see your home. And obviously we know that Craigslist does have a reputation for that. But let me be honest, I know so many people that have used Craigslist to buy and sell homes. And in most cases, it's free or it doesn't cost you very much to list your home. And Craigslist gets millions of visitors to their website every single month. So you don't have to do anything to attract buyers looking for your home right on their website. I have created an entire class where I teach you all of this stuff live. Go to 𝗏𝗡𝗏𝗀𝗡𝗏.com and register today for my next live and in-person class. These classes you can take directly from your computer. You do not have to leave your home. They are live, so you can watch me and ask questions and even interact during the class. Again, 𝗏𝗡𝗏𝗏𝗏.com. That's Noelle, N-O-E-L-L-E with an S, free, F-R-E-E, class, C-L-A-S-S, 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏.com. I have these classes every single week and I want to see you there. I just want to make sure that you have all of the resources, all of the tools, and all of the knowledge that you need to be successful. This is Noelle, to your success.